Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is about a fun and exciting place which all the kids want to visit at least once in their lifetime. Disney's Magic Kingdom is loved by all the kids. So today, I will be sharing with you small clips and pics to give you idea of the look and feel of the park and the rides there. And most importantly, I will be sharing all the tips you need to know to make the most of your visit to Magic Kingdom. Me and my family visited it couple of days before Christmas. Yes, we visited during COVID. Park is still crowded, though not as crowded as they used to be in pre-COVID days. When you see this sign, you know that you are in Disney Parks area. And the road from these tolls lead you to Magic Kingdom. In COVID time, the park is taking several measures to keep people safe. Like when you enter the park, they check your temperature. They have put stickers throughout the park for people to maintain 6 feet distance. Masks are mandatory throughout the park. After parking the car, you can either take monorail or ferry to reach the park.
But I wanted to take the boat, so we went on the ferry. And I got really excited when I saw the castle from the ferry. Plus, it's not every day I get to go on a boat.
This is the dream place of many, where people make memories. When visiting a theme park, planning in advance is the key. And for a park as big as this one, you can't do everything in one day. So you should have a list ready in advance of the things you or your family definitely wants to do. To help you with your planning, let me give you some idea of the park. The park is divided into 5 sections: Adventureland, Fantasyland, Frontierland, Liberty Square and Tomorrowland. So when you enter the park, you go through the main street to the Cinderella Castle. But as we entered, we saw a Mickey and Minnie Mouse parade coming.
I really loved the parade. I really liked the Peter Pan, and I was so excited to see all the characters. My favorite part was the Christmas tree which Mickey and Minnie Mouse were sitting on.
Don't you just love the holidays?
I sure do. It's my favorite time of year.
I would say if you have kids who love Disney characters or princesses, then you might want to check with some employee or the timings of the parades for the entire day. That's the first view of the castle. The street was beautifully decorated for Christmas. And as we reached the castle, we got to see another parade of Disney princesses.
And I loved this parade. It was my favorite. And guess what? 4 of the Disney princesses said hi to me.
After this, we went to Fantasyland, and these are the rides over there. Here, most of the rides are slow-paced, except for Seven Dwarfs Mine Train and the Barnstormer. We got in line for Little Mermaid ride.
And I really loved it because it tells the story very nicely.
For most of the rides, especially the popular ones, the queue is always big. So you have to plan on saving time on other things. Like eat lunch or dinner at off times and don't dine in. Order food which has less prep time and can be eaten quickly. And carry plenty of snacks. Next we got in line for Seven Dwarfs Mine Train and it had extremely big wait time.
This was my first roller coaster in my whole life ever. And it was great. It was so fast.
After this, we took a lunch break and clicked few pictures before moving on. Next we went to Tomorrowland. The most popular ride of this section is the Space Mountain. But first we got in line for Astro Orbiter.
I was scared because the ride was too fast for me. Next, we went to the Carousel of Progress. It was like a theater on top of a merry-go-round.
This ride gave the much needed break to our legs.
Tonight. She's got us all roped into performing in their program.
I've decided we're going as George and Martha Washington.
Oh, the father of our country. That's a role that really fits me. You know,
Space Ranger is also one of the popular rides of Tomorrowland. This ride is an arcade game where you get laser guns to hit the monster. This is a fun ride for all family members. I forgot to mention that before this we went to the most popular ride of Magic Kingdom, the Space Mountain. It is an indoor high-speed roller coaster in a dark area. Anna got so scared of dark that she came out of the line just before you enter the boarding zone. So my elder daughter and my husband went for it, and me and her came out of the line. Next we went to Tomorrow Speedway.
And I loved it so much that we went twice. I loved driving the cars.
With this we were done with all the rides in Tomorrowland. And we had Splash Mountain in our to-do list. So we started moving towards Frontierland, but on the way we found short wait line for Dumbo, the flying elephant, so we did that. These are the rides in the Frontierland. We got in line for Splash Mountain.
The ride had a really nice rabbit story going alongside it. It was really fun until that big drop came. The fall splashed water on us.
My husband and my elder daughter went for Splash Mountain again before we got in line for Big Thunder Mountain Railroad. This is a small moving roller coaster with small drops.
I loved the whole ride, but I loved the layout the best. It was so fun and the layout was so beautiful.
This was the last ride for us as the park was about to close now. Though we didn't do anything in Adventureland, but sometime in the day we did Haunted Mansion in Liberty Square. And at the end when we reached the castle, we were astonished to see how beautiful it looked.
The castle was extremely extraordinary.
Let me give you the last tip. Try to enter the park as soon as it opens. This saves you time, as you can do the most popular rides right in the morning when the crowd is less, thereby getting less wait time for each. Those lights on the castle and in the surrounding area made the place look so beautiful. We visited Magic Kingdom 7 years back too, so we definitely had some nostalgic moments.
We had a lot of fun on our trip to Magic Kingdom. We hope you have fun on your trip too.
I hope this video will help you to plan your trip to Magic Kingdom in a better way. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you are new to my channel, then please subscribe. And don't forget to press the bell button to get the notification of my latest videos. Also, please share it with your travel-loving friends and family members. That's all for today. Stay tuned for my next video. Till then, take care and wish you all a very happy new year. Thanks for watching.